Okay, so we were backpacking Egypt for a couple weeks, almost a month. And when it came time to get between Cairo and Luxor, everything that we were seeing was just about like the sleeper train. And the sleeper train is really expensive. For a single person, it is $126. And if you're in a double cabin, it's $84 each. So for the two of us, it would have been $170. If you just go to the sleeper train website, which is what you usually find posted, it seems like that's the only option. But there's a whole separate website for like the Egyptian train system. And on the Egyptian train website, you can book any of the trains. So we paid $19 each. We had a big seat, a plug, there's a bathroom, food carts. You can bring your own food. So yeah, if you're on a budget, $19 compared to $120, $170, it's a lot cheaper. And this is us on the train. At the train station with a bunch of snacks and a pizza. So our train, and there's food here. There's so many snacks right next to the train, which is good to know. Let's wait at the end. So this is where I'm sleeping. Backpacks are here. Backpacks. There's lots of room. And there is one plug down there. And pizza time.
It's supposed to be a margarita.
Yeah.
It's margarita with olives.
It's a margarita
pepper,
with, yeah.
and tomato and ketchup.
It's a really weird margarita, but it was $2 and we didn't have time to go anywhere else. These double pane windows. We just got some interesting sandwiches off the food cart.
This is interesting.
Yeah, they're interesting. There's a cheese one. There's I don't know what.
Chicken? Is it chicken?
Yeah. I don't know. Eat it. How is it? Is it yummy? We got a cheese one. Only cheese. But whatever. I like it. Also, it is freezing on here. Like I have a jacket and leggings on and I'm cold. Like actually cold. Made it to the train bathroom. Rather not clean. We just finished a movie, so now it's game time. So it's like 10:45 now. We're gonna try and sleep. I got my towel. My little backpacking towel is the closest I have to a blanket. But all the lights are still on. It's like super bright. Oh no. I guess they're not turning them off if it's already almost 11. Time to clean my face and then first too. Oh no, how much Light outside and it's still freezing. But we're almost in Cairo. Over an hour late now. Yeah. We're supposed to get there at 6:40. And now it's like after 8 o'clock. So I don't know. We're now over 2 hours late. But at least the seats are still kind of comfy. 2.5 hours late. We made it. And there's trash left everywhere. So they stopped all the foreigners on the train. And now they have some guy here. We don't know what's happening. So we're still following this police officer dude. Really weird, because we want an Uber. So, the guy literally just walked us outside, because we got outside and then we all just went different ways and they didn't say anything. So I don't know if it's just like security walks the foreigners outside of the train station. It's really weird. Yeah. So yeah, the train was not the comfiest thing ever, but for the price, I definitely think it's worth it.